Investing in yourself is never an investment you'll regret, that is for sure.
I think a good business owner is someone who can manage their personal life and business life. And it's a lot. I mean, I'm a CFP and I love numbers, and I'm like, it's a lot sometimes. Financial planning, what we tell people too, like a good tip is to do, I call it a money date, have like romantic vibes, like set the tone.
We search for deductions that are industry specific. And we will uncover those industry specific deductions some people may not even realize that are possible.
It's so important, I feel like, for the audience to know if you want to go into solopreneurship, entrepreneurship, that you have to invest in yourself. Like the best investment is yourself. And so if that means that you're going to have to spend more money up front to buy that camera or to buy that new computer that's going to help you with graphic design, yes, it might be a bigger expense on the front end, but it's going to hopefully pay off and then some on the back end.
Always ask for more money. And if you're constantly quoting a rate and constantly being told yes and no one's really hesitating, then it's time to probably charge up your rates.
If you have questions, we have our TurboTax Live self-employed tax experts. They can guide you along the way and answer your questions. They can review your return. Or new this year, we have our TurboTax Live self-employed full service where you can fully hand over your taxes to them. And with TurboTax Self-Employed Live, you're matched with a tax expert that has experience in self-employment taxes. And then in addition to that, you can connect with them year-round and ask them questions. They're available for you year-round once you use TurboTax Live Self-Employed.
Where so much of my work and being a female artist and in the industry that I'm in, you're hitting the ground running and you're taking every opportunity, every chance to grow is something that you say yes to and you chase with your whole being. Where this year, a lot of those things dried up, and especially being a business that is for disposable income, I kind of needed to pivot myself into doing more intentional projects that were maybe at a higher price point.
Can you write off a portion of your home from working from home this year? That is a very common question. If you're self-employed, you can write off your home office as a home office deduction.
How bad do you really want it? How bad do you really want to work at getting what you want? And do you have the courage to make it happen, even if you don't have all the answers?
Mint is such a great tool to use, even personally, to see where's your money going? What can you cut back if you no longer need subscriptions or just money going here or there? To have that kind of course correct and being able to pivot is extremely nice and powerful.
QuickBooks Self-Employed helps you easily track your income and expenses year round. And then that information easily transports into your TurboTax Self-Employed tax return. So you don't have to enter all that information again. And then I would say definitely maximize your deductions, whatever you're eligible for that's directly related to your business, because you want to lower your taxable income, which lowers your self-employment income and your estimated taxes.